Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. Here we have a SEAT logo booting up on the screen. We're sat in a SEAT Alhambra, about 2017 year. We've installed the KENWOOD DMX8021. This integrates into the steering wheel controls and also into the car's settings. These are great head units for replacing the factory head unit, which is not quite commonly known for having the touchscreen go faulty on it. In this upgrade we keep the factory reverse camera working, so popping it into reverse you still get the normal reverse camera come up on the display. Bit of parking sensor information also can come on, which can be just switched off automatically, or while you drive off it will normally disappear. You do also get on these systems, you have the ability to have a look at the climate status, so all of your information for climate controls will all work on the screen here. These units have a capacitive touchscreen, which is real nice and easy to use, and brings up all Apple CarPlay settings and stuff like that, so you can control that kind of things. But we keep the factory DAB working for this system, so no DAB antennas are installed, and yeah, factory steering controls work as normal, which is nice, and it's just a much nicer head unit to use. So that is a very quick look at the Apple CarPlay system on this SEAT Alhambra. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks and goodbye.